Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check your specifications and hardware information on Asus Zenbook. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start and open our settings. Here in the system, we're gonna scroll down. And at the bottom we have About, and when you enter it, there's all of the information about your laptop. Now the second way to do it is to open a Start, or actually, yeah, we can do it here as well. Click on the search and enter DXDIAG. Open this app and then confirm it. And here also you can check all of the information about your laptop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.